If you want to send people from Facebook or Instagram directly to your website using ads, then this video will show you how to professionally set it up step by step. Now, whether you're a business owner, you're a marketer, or you're a complete beginner, by the end of this video, you know exactly how to professionally set up the traffic campaigns inside the Meta Ads Manager. Yes, you would start driving real visitors to your website. In the episode 4.3 of our Meta Ads Masterclass, yes, this masterclass that you are watching now, I explained to you when you should use the traffic campaign objective and when you should not use it. In fact, in that video, I mentioned many scenarios. Part of the scenarios I mentioned as to when you should use traffic ad is when you intend to send people to a blog post or a content page. I also mentioned that you should use traffic ads when you intend to send persons to a page where they will learn more about an offer that you are giving out. And also, if you intend to just build awareness for your website or your web page. If you are just joining us in this Meta Ads Masterclass, you have missed so much. The link to the complete playlist is in the comment section below. Yes, the pinned comment you find in the comment section below is a link that takes you straight up to where? That playlist that carries all the videos where I show how to run Meta Ads professionally. You can do well to scroll to episode 4.3 so you can see exactly all the scenarios I gave out as to when you should use traffic ads and when you should not use traffic ads. Today, we are doing practical. I will practically show you how to set up traffic ads professionally. So before we go on into creating this traffic ad, it will be good that we understand the strategy that I'm about to use and how I'm about to use this strategy to get persons who will patronize my digital marketing services. Yes, we'll be using a real blog post case study strategy. What does this mean? This means that we are actually going to be giving free value through a blog. Then we will use traffic ads to bring people to that blog post. And then when they see the blog post, they get value. They will now contact us for us to offer the service that we offer to them. This is a strategy that has worked for me so much. So let me show you how this strategy works before we run our traffic ads. I have created this blog post on my website that teaches business owners 5 digital marketing strategies that they can begin implementing immediately in their business. As a business owner, if you go through this blog post, you'd be able to see how to successfully implement content marketing in your business. You would also be able to see how to implement social media marketing in your business. You would also be able to see how to implement local SEO in your business, and then how to do what we call online review and reputation management. And finally, how setting up a referral system can help you make sales digitally. So all of these things are value that I've given to business owners. But there is something noteworthy. If you observe in the conclusion section, I redirected them to contacting me for me to help them implement all of these things I have mentioned, because business owners may be very busy attending to their business. See what I wrote in the conclusion section of this blog post. I said, digital marketing is one of the most powerful tools available to small businesses today. When applied correctly, it allows you to attract the right audience, build trust, and convert attention into real sales without needing a massive advertising budget. In this post, I shared 5 practical strategies you can start implementing immediately. Number 1, content marketing. Number 2, social media marketing. Number 3, local SEO. Number 4, online review and reputation management. And number 5, referral system. But here is the truth most business owners already know. Understanding these strategies is one thing. Successfully implementing them is another. Execution is where most businesses struggle. If you would like help applying these strategies specifically to your business, whether it is setting up your marketing system, building your ad campaign, or creating a traffic system that brings consistent leads and customers, then you can reach out to us directly. We help business owners turn these strategies into a working system that generates real results. Contact us today to implement these strategies for your business and start building a predictable flow of customers. Of course, definitely, they come to the contact us page and then they contact us immediately. We have seen so many results from this blog post I've just shown to you. Now, one might wonder, how do we push this in front of business owners? That is where traffic ads come in. So right there on Meta, we are going to run traffic ads that would push people, business owners majorly, to view this landing page. So once they come here, get the free information, most of them are likely to contact us for us to implement these strategies for them, as it were. This is a mind-blowing strategy that you can implement in your own business. Don't worry, I know what's running through your mind. How can you implement this strategy in your own business? I would show you exactly how to do that at the end of this video. So now, let us head straight up to our ads manager so we can begin setting up the traffic ads step by step that would bring people to this website. Right here on our ads manager, we go on to click on create. And when we click on create, we click on what? Traffic. After clicking on traffic, we click on continue so we can now start setting up our ads. Please take note, do not use automatic placement for this because we are manually going to be putting in our audience. We want to be able to select who will see our adverts and who will not see our adverts. I'll click on manual traffic campaign and I'll click on continue. So now I have to name my what? My campaign. What should be the name? Let's just title it Business Owners Traffic Campaign. Now scroll down, let it be on ad set budgets. You can decide to tick this or not. Scroll down and click on next. Now we go over to what? The ad sets. Now for this ad set, let's just title it Business Owners in Lagos because I want this advert to target business owners in Lagos. So come over here, the conversion location is going to be what? Websites. Take note that you can as well run ads and send traffic to all these other destinations. But for the purpose of this video, we are sending traffic to what? Websites. Now we go down to the section called Performance Goal. This is the section where you tell Meta what it should optimize for. Who should it show your adverts to? In this context, we want people to view our landing page. So we're going to use maximize number of landing page views. Now it says Meta will try to show your adverts to people who are most likely to view the website link to your adverts. So it will show the ads to people who will view this page from the beginning till what? The end. If you maximize for what? Landing page views. But some people make the mistake of maximizing for link clicks. Now, what would happen if you maximize for number of link clicks? Now, Meta is basically going to show your ads to people who are most likely to click on your adverts. What does this mean? Someone will see your adverts. Immediately they click on it, Meta have done its job. It does not concern Meta whether they view the page or they did not view the page. So I always recommend that you ensure you use what? Maximize number of landing page views when setting up your traffic ads. So after doing that, we scroll down, we now go over to the budget section. At this point, you can put in any budget that you can afford. I will put in 5,000 Naira here to start as a budget, and then we scroll down. I don't always set an end date because I monitor my ads every day. Now, when I scroll down, I go over to the audience section. Now, under this audience section, you will see that you have limited controls as to what and what you can set here. Please scroll down and you will see switch to original audience option. Once you click on that, click on further limit the reach of your ads. Then you click on continue. Please, if you don't find this in your own section, contact me with the link you can see in the description below so I can show you for free how to access this aspect of your own ads. Yes, that section where you would be able to see how to switch to manual audience selection. Okay, so now we go down to the manual audience selection. We change the location to where? Lagos. I want only Lagos. I'll put in Lagos. And I'll see Lagos here. Lagos, Nigeria city. Yes. And then I'll click on this, untick this that says reach more people likely to respond to your ads. I will untick this because I want it to be only in Lagos. Now I scroll down and put in my age. Now I come over here and put in age. Let's select age 22, or let's say 25 to age 55 as business owners. Select this. Then I would untick this. Then go over to gender, leave the genders. Now this is the section where we will now be selecting only business owners as persons who should see this advert, which is what? The advantage plus what? Detailed targeting. So I come over here and type what? Business owners. Click on these business owners. Now click on this again. You will see small business owners. Now I'll keep adding up until I see enough persons here for about 1 million or 1.5 million people who will see this advert. So I keep adding here, owner, manager. I'll put in entrepreneurship. So after putting entrepreneurship, you see I've gotten about 4 million persons who are business owners who will see this advert. Now, I can now scroll down to what? Placement. Please always ensure you leave your placement as automatic while running traffic ads, because wherever Facebook wants to get people, let them go ahead and get people for you to view your blog post. Now we scroll down and we click on next. After clicking on next, we'll now go over to the main ads setup. As you can see here, we need to put in the ad name. Let us title this image 1, because we'll be using an image for this advert. Now scroll down and put in the Facebook page name, select your Instagram profile, and then WhatsApp number if possible. If you don't have, ignore that. Then the very next section is the ad setup section. Come over here, click on create ad because we're creating new ad. Come down here, we'll select our format, which is a single image. Scroll down to destination. This is the point where they are now asking you, where do you want these people to go to? What would I do? Come over here, copy the link to this blog post, and I'll put it right there inside the advert. So once I do this, I am good to go. The very next thing we want to do is this display link. We don't need any display link. Let them go straight up to where? The landing page. We've got to the point where we're now going to set up our ads creative. So click on set up creative, image ad. We would now be uploading the image that we intend to use for our ads. I'll click on next, go to media, and then I would upload media. Upload media. The media should be on desktop, digital marketing. This is the media I want to use. Upload that and click on next. Now the section where we put in the primary text of our ads. I would paste this here. I have this written already. Are you a business owner struggling to get customers online? I just published a free blog post showing 5 powerful digital marketing strategies you can start using immediately to grow your business. Inside, you learn how to attract customers using content, how to use social media effectively, how to improve your local visibility, how to build trust online, and how to turn customers into referrals. Read the full guide on my website. We are good to go with that. I'll scroll down and put in the headline of this ad. I'll put this as the headline, 5 digital marketing strategies for business growth. Then scroll down, I'll select the call to action, which evidently is going to be what? Read more, learn more. And click on next. Automatically, you will see that I am now setting up an ads that will send people to where? To that website. So after doing this, we scroll down and we see everything we have entered. Now, this headline, if you observe, you will see that this headline also carries the same thing that is written on the image here. I always love to use something captivating for the headline. So I am actually going to be changing this headline to something else. Now I'll be changing it to this that says free guide. How to get more customers online. You can see it here. Free guide. How to get more customers online. You can see what the information here says. 5 digital marketing strategies for small businesses. So I think this is perfect. This is better than what we had earlier. So I'll just scroll down, down, and ensure I turn on what? Tracking. Because I want to track the persons who are actually visiting that blog post. You will see my pixel is active. Please, if you get to this point for yours and your pixel is not active, it will now be important for you to go back to the videos I have made in this free masterclass. You will find the link to that masterclass in the pinned comment below. That is if you are just joining us for this wonderful experience we're having here on YouTube. Now, after doing this, we are ready to do what? Publish our traffic ads. So as you see, our ads have been published, so we can now professionally get people, naturally, business owners, who will visit our blog post, see this blog, and then contact us to actually do what? Help them run digital marketing services for them. I have just used this case study to show you step by step how you can professionally set up traffic ads and directing traffic to a website. How can you implement all of these in your own business? Well, I am here to guide you, giving you step-by-step guide how it can be implemented in your own business. All you need to do is what? Contact me with the button you can see in the description below. So I would give you a step-by-step guide on how you can implement this into your own business. Yes, I will look at your business and develop a perfect strategy that would work to sell out that product or service that you have. This is just one strategy that I have just shown you right here on how to use traffic ads. Do you think you got value from this video? Please, if you got value, it's not a crime for you to go to the comment section below and tell me you got value. Come on, just do that and I will appreciate that. Go to the comment section below now and just say, I got massive value. Thank you so much, Mr. Richard, for this information. And I'll be very happy that you did. I'm waiting for you. Have you done that? Now, do it now, okay? Next, ensure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. I have given so many valuable content on this YouTube channel for free. Please subscribe so you can keep getting all of those informations right here on this YouTube channel. Finally, like this video and share this video so many other persons who wants to learn how to run traffic ads can see this video and benefit maximally from this video. In the next episode of this mind-blowing masterclass, I'll be showing you basically how to run engagement ads that would bring people to start sending you WhatsApp messages. That is, if you do not have a website. I would also be showing you how to professionally run engagement ads that would ensure people contact your messenger. This is where we'll start converting attention into conversations. If you are fortunate, you will see that video shown on your screen right now. But if not, turn on post notifications so you will see exactly when that video will drop. I will see you in that episode 5.4 where we'll talk about how to run engagement ads that would bring in messages on WhatsApp. See you in that next video.